Hey there, everybody. I'm Rendy Murphy, epidemiologist and director of disease surveillance at the Mobile County Health Department. Just to give you a quick update today, so on our numbers, we added 242 yesterday, so we're at 33,819. We added 6 deaths, up 638, and we added a note to make sure that everyone knows when we're counting cases and deaths and we report them, it means that they were reported to us in the last 24 hours. It doesn't necessarily mean that they occurred in the last 24 hours. We are hearing from at least one of our hospitals that they've had an incredible high number of deaths this last week. So we know that, we're starting to see the effect of gatherings over the holidays and the spike that resulted in that. We saw that effect on the hospitals. That seems to be improving, but now we're seeing the impact of those COVID cases with the number of deaths that we're seeing. So a very, very difficult situation. 49 more people hospitalized than we reported yesterday, and the number currently hospitalized went down below 200 for the first time in many, many weeks. So we're very happy about that. So in regards to vaccine supplies, our event today, very successful. All of the doses that we had were given out within just a couple of hours. So we thank everyone who showed up to, do your part in protecting your community by getting your COVID vaccination. Our next vaccine event will be on Saturday, this Saturday, February 6th, from 9 to 2. It's in conjunction with our North Mobile Clinic. Will be held at Belsall Middle School at 1650 Gartman Circle in Mount Vernon, Alabama. And remember, the eligibility is 65 and over, first responders, healthcare workers, health-related occupation, clergy, government workers, corrections officers, and people who work in food and agriculture, post offices, manufacturing, grocery stores, public transit, educators, child care workers, and people who work in the court systems. And you have to bring documentation of eligibility and a note from your boss or your doctor or your clergyman or anyone. A note saying that you are eligible does not count, right? You can't bring a note from your doctor or from your employer stating that you are eligible. The eligibility requirement is set, and you will have to provide proof of eligibility based on that information. Go online to mccares.com to see the maps of the traffic flow on Saturday and to read those eligibility requirements if you didn't listen as fast as I'm talking today. But we just want to make sure that we don't slow down the line when we're trying to get people. So please don't show up if you're not eligible, because we will not be able to provide vaccine for you. So that's it for today. We don't have a clinic tomorrow. We have one on Friday, but we will talk to you on Facebook Live tomorrow at 2:30 and give you another summary of our case and death count, and then provide some other information in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on Mobile County. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Thank you, Mark. Thanks for the reminder.